Around 1950, Jean Matthies suffered a stroke due to a mismatched blood transfusion. Though this mishap left her partially paralyzed on her right side, she could still walk and managed to live life independently for 40 years. That ended after she broke her hip and underwent the medical treatment that led to the informed consent case, Matthies versus Mastromonaco. In 1990, when Matthies was 81, she lived alone in an apartment in a senior residence. One day she fell and broke her right hip. She was discovered 2 days later seriously weakened. Her orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Mastromonaco, noted Matthies' age, fragility, and history of osteoporosis. Fearing that her bones were too porous and surgery could lead to complications, he decided not to repair her hip with metal screws. Instead, he recommended bed rest. Unfortunately, the head of Matthies' femur dislocated. Her right leg became shorter than the other, and she never walked again. She spent the next several years living in long-term care facilities and suffered from depression. Matthies sued Mastromonaco for medical malpractice. At trial, Matthies' experts testified that bed rest wasn't an appropriate treatment unless the patient had zero expectation of regaining the ability to walk. The experts asserted that Matthies' history of osteoporosis actually increased the chance of bed rest, causing her femur to displace. Mastromonaco countered that he hadn't expected Matthies to live independently anymore, and that conservative treatment was the best way to avoid complications. Matthies alleged that Mastromonaco hadn't gotten her informed consent to his conservative treatment plan. She said she never would have agreed to bed rest had she known that he expected her to spend the rest of her life in assisted living. Mastromonaco argued that informed consent applied only to invasive procedures and was irrelevant in the case of non-invasive treatments such as bed rest. The trial court agreed and failed to instruct the jury on informed consent. The jury found no issue of triable fact, and the court dismissed the case. The appellate division reversed, holding that informed consent doctrine should apply to non-invasive as well as invasive procedures. Mastromonaco appealed to the New Jersey Supreme Court.